nice, George. You have to pay a price, George. They like to give advice, George. Don't think about it twice, George. It's time to get to work. Art isn't easy, even when you're hot. Advancing art is easy. Financing it is not. A vision's just a vision if it's only in your head. If no one gets to hear it, it's as good as dead. It has to come to life. Bit by bit, put it together. Piece by piece, a way to make a work of art. Everyone makes a contribution. A little detail plays a part. I'm just a vision's no solution. Everything depends on execution. Put it together, that's what counts. Ounce by ounce, put it together. Small amounts, added to make a work of art. First of all, you need a good foundation. Otherwise, risky from the start. Takes a little cocktail conversation without the proper preparation. I'm just a vision's no solution. Everything depends on execution. The art of making art is putting it together, bit by bit, link by link, making the connections. Taking every comment as it comes. To play the politician, we play piano, bass, and drums. Where's your finer composition? Is it gonna get much exhibition? Art isn't easy. Every minor detail is a major decision. Have to keep things in scale. Have to hold to your vision. What's a little cocktail conversation? Gets the funds for your foundation. Every time I start to feel defensive, I remember vinyl is expensive. Building up the image, shot by shot, keeping it at distance doesn't pay. Just remember your objective, not to give our privacy away. A little bit of hype can be effective, as long as you keep it in perspective. Even if you get the recognition, everything you do, you still audition. Art isn't easy. Overnight, you're a trend, you're the right combination. Then the trend's at an end, you're suddenly last year's sensation. Repetition, what I really like is what they know. Gotta keep a link with your tradition. Gotta learn to trust your intuition. Gotta establish your position so that you can be on exhibit. So that your work can be on exhibition. New George, they'll tell you till they're blue, George. You're new or else you're through, George. And even if it's true, George, do what you can do. Bit by bit, put it together. Piece by piece, working on a vision night and day. It takes its time and perseverance. A little luck along the way. Then you get a personal appearance, gathering supporters and adherents. Mapping out the songs with an addition. Horizon needs negotiation. Runs in a part that's on musician. Part that's strictly presentation. Lands in harmony with the mission. So you have the perfect alteration. Even you do have the suspicion. It's taking all your concentration. The art of making art is putting it together. Bit by bit by beat, part by part, sheet by sheet, chart by chart, by bit by bit, by beat by beat, by part, by sheet, by chart, by track, and that is the state of the art.
Finn Douglas!